Hello guys, people who love to work with the sugar, today we make sugar rock. Sugar rock, one of the best element you can add it to the sugar showpiece or the cake, even cake designer. You can use it for many variety of uses for sugar rock. And the recipe is so easy. You can color, spray with brown, yellow, green, name it. You can make effect of the mountain. You can make effect of the sand or desert. And this sugar rock really help you to achieve the nice result. So easy recipe, it takes maximum 10 minutes. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmad Younis. I promise you, you will find everything about pastry, bakery, ice cream and chocolate in my channel. If you like my video, please make subscribe and make share and give us comment to know what we have to do. 1 kilo sugar, 500 gram water, 70 gram royal icing. It's so easy recipe. 1 kilo sugar, 500 gram water. No glucose, no citric acid, nada. You mix together. And then we added 50% of this royal icing. The recipe of royal icing, 1 egg white, 220 to 250 gram of icing sugar. We mix it together and then we squeeze little lemon or 2 drops of tartaric acid or white vinegar. And I will leave the link below. I already made in the channel how to make royal icing. So you can take sugar and water, very important to stir very well, to melt all sugar with water, and then you leave it to boil 131 Celsius. It's very important. After 131, you can add 50% of this royal icing and you just stir all the time. When 130, very important to use a thermometer to have the accurate. I added half quantity of the royal icing and I mix and it foaming. You can see becomes sugar rock. Now I can decorate. This showpiece talking about seaside or sea life. So I can use caramel to steak or isomalt. And in my channel also, you will find replacement of isomalt or isomalt substituted. It's from 1 kilo sugar, 400 gram glucose, 400 gram water, and 6 drops of tartaric acid solution. Again, thank you so much to being in my channel. Ahmad Younis, I really enjoy to being with you.